Hey people, so this is one of the cutest sights in the world, to have a little baby rabbit share your food, and that is another rabbit. But these rabbits have encouraged me to eat healthy, because now I eat stuff only that the rabbits can also eat. Yeah, eating from my plate and what eat Ray heroes. So yeah. Today someone asked me on Instagram whether keeping rabbits is easy. Honestly, they are much easier than having dogs and cats, and I've had both. But rabbits, you need to keep their enclosure neat. That's important. But otherwise, because they are silent creatures, they are the most perfect pets for those living in apartments. It's a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.